My video guide will help you to remove the ransomware, which is called Crustom. Crustom is the name of this ransomware. It encrypts files and damages them considerably. But my video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. I'm just showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Before the ransomware attack, you're able to open your files without troubles. So pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data, all that can be opened easily. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this custom ransomware may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and then people realize that they just cannot use their data anymore. This ransomware encrypts files and creates a real mess out of them. The file names are changed into some random symbols. The desktop background or the wallpaper is also changed. And the ransomware note also drops the information that people need to pay the ransom for file recovery. And the email is crustom-support. That's why the ransomware is called like that, crustom. You shouldn't pay the ransom because this doesn't guarantee the file recovery. So don't pay it, don't waste your money. We recommend you to remove this ransomware immediately with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the page combocleaner.com, download it, install it, and start researching the system. The program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The program would first of all most likely update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats which were found on the system. Combo Cleaner has got premium license, and in the premium license there is anti-ransomware feature allowing you to add one or several folders that will be always protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature is the part of the premium license. Also, keep in mind that Combo Cleaner is not able to decrypt files. It is only able to remove this ransomware and to protect your data from further attacks in the future. So please consider upgrading to premium as the best solution to remove this ransomware and other malware fully from your system.